MG Comet comes to a standstill in a moment thanks to its effective disc brakes. But if you feel that the brakes are less effective, or you find your brake light on in instrument cluster, this usually means that you're low on brake fluid in the vehicle. Here's your guide to top up the brake fluid levels in your MG Comet. First, open the front compartment of the car to locate the brake fluid reservoir. If you notice dust or dirt around the cap, clean it and the surrounding area with a dry cloth before opening it up. Now, refill the brake fluid to the top. We mean max level. Make sure there is no unnecessary spillage of the brake fluid. Lastly, put the reservoir cap back on. Brake light will be gone from the instrument cluster and brake will work as new once again.